I believe this is a rare 1961, I believe, Datsun 223 pickup. There's really not many of these around. Most of them have rusted out and been scrapped years ago. But you can see it says 60 horsepower on there. It's a Datsun 1200 on it. Missing some of the grill, but you can see the interior. Oh, it's actually got the interior on the grill there. Okay. Or the grill in the interior, I should say. Actually, the interior isn't too bad. And the bed's not all rusted out. Still has the tailgate intact. Yeah, it doesn't look like any repairs. It looks to be pretty clean. I believe this truck was originally from Arizona. So you never know what you're gonna find when you're just driving through the country, but this little shop here. So, all right, well, thanks for watching.